In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can find a lead for any product using only Facebook and free software. All right, now you can see here that I am on my Facebook profile, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to a community of people who are entrepreneurs just like we are. And the type of individuals that we're looking for to make friends with, to build an audience with, are going to be found right here in different communities, because Facebook allows you to do this by separating people into different communities based off of interest. So I'm just going to cruise on up here to the search, and we're going to choose a group called ClickFunnels. Many of you might be familiar with this already. It's filled with 277,000 entrepreneurs who are all looking for a solution to their problems. And what we're going to do really quickly is just cruise on over to the members tab, and you're going to notice that there's going to be a slight variation in my members tab compared to a members tab of a person who's not using the free software that you're about to get. You can see right up here in the top of my screen in this Chrome window, we have some additional software. And this is the free tool that we're going to be giving you today, so that you're going to have an opportunity to build an audience right on Facebook without spending any money on advertisements. And you can see right here, the software is ready to rock and roll. Now, Messenger Pro Group Friender, we're going to give this to you absolutely free today, and watch this in action. We're going to go to the category, which is going to give us the opportunity of targeting people who are new to the group. We're going to choose a tag. Now, the tag is going to be designated previous to us coming in here. I've already taken the liberty of doing that so that we could speed up the process in this video. Don't worry if this makes any sense. We're going to train you how to use this tool on the inside once you get free access today. If there's any particular type of person you want to be able to find within this community, you can do that here as well. So we're going to go in here and we're going to type in affiliate marketer. And what the software is going to do is it's going to go through this community and look for people who have designated themselves as affiliate marketers. We're going to go ahead and just click that button. The software is going to go to work for us and help us build an audience of people who are targeted based off of their interests. As you can see right here, the software is going through the community. It is looking for the people who are interested. I'm not doing this. I'm not scrolling. I'm not reading all of these different things. The software is doing it for me. Artificial intelligence, automation is doing it for me. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole process here. We've got a whole bunch of training inside the system that's going to show you exactly how to get the results that you're looking for, so you can get results in your business without ever having to spend another penny on advertisement ever again. How cool was that? Are you ready to give yourself an unfair advantage? Enter your details for a free account. But wait, there's even more than that. Isn't there always? If you act now before the timer runs out, you will also get instant access to another powerful automation tool that's going to save you thousands of dollars and countless hours posting your content on Facebook, in your groups, or on your business pages to Instagram, Twitter, and on LinkedIn. All on autopilot. All you have to do is set it and forget it, all for free. Hurry before the timer runs out. Enter your details, check your email for your account details, and I'll see you on the inside.